Hola, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a fun Spanish story called La Primera Pista, or The First Clue. It's a great one for A1 learners, full of adventure and mystery. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Now, let's warm up with a few keywords. First, nota, meaning note. Next, llave, which means key. Then we have corren, meaning they run. There's also mapa, meaning map. And finally, roble, meaning oak tree. In our story, two siblings follow a mysterious map through the garden, searching for something hidden beneath an old oak tree. Let's find out what they discover. Here's La Primera Pista.
Sofía y Mateo corren al jardín. Tienen el mapa en la mano. Siguen el mapa hasta el roble grande. El roble es el árbol más viejo del jardín. Debajo del árbol hay muchas piedras. Miran el mapa otra vez. La estrella está sobre una piedra específica. Mateo mueve la piedra. Es pesada. Debajo no hay un tesoro. Hay una llave pequeña y una nota de papel. La llave es vieja y oxidada. Sofía toma la nota. De repente, el mapa en la mano de Mateo cambia. Una nueva estrella empieza a brillar sobre el pequeño estanque del jardín. Los hermanos se miran. ¿Qué abre la llave? ¿Qué secreto hay en el estanque?
And there you have it. Sophia and Mateo found a key and a note, but the map has already changed, pointing them toward a new mystery by the pond. What do you think that little key opens? If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app. Hasta la próxima!